All right, I think Madam Wendy got the line technical problem, so I will help to conduct first. All right, so we continue with what we have learned yesterday. That is arithmetic progression. That is the revision. So the first one, the arithmetic progression AP is a sequence that has a common difference. So before this, we have learned the common difference. It can be calculated by using the hello. Okay, the formula we can use is the D is equal to Tn minus 1. That is after minus before. Okay, we can use the second term minus the first term. Okay, that is T2 minus T1, right? It can be T3 minus T2. It can be T10 minus T9 and so on. All are represented by using the Tn minus 1. And after that, we can see the Tn formula, which can be used by using A plus M minus 1D, A tambah M minus tolak 1, harap D. D itu adalah common difference, ataupun the BM version is beza sepunya. Right, beza sepunya. Okay, kita pergi tengok contoh. Yang pertama, deriving the formula of the n term, Tn. All right, we look at the example number 4. An arithmetic progression has the first term. Okay, first term A is 12. First term A is 12. That is A. And after that, common difference is -2. Okay, D is -2. And the last term will be the -14. That is Tn. Hello. -14, last term. Or it can be represented by Tn. The last term can be Tn. The last term can be Tn. So I try to translate. Menerjemahkan. Okay, translate dalam bentuk simbol dulu. Right, and if the last term is -14, continue. Find the number of terms of the progression. All right, number of terms is stand for n. So that means this question is asked us to find n. Carikan nilai n. Okay. And we can use the formula, Tn formula. What is the Tn formula that we have? That is A plus M minus 1 D. A plus N minus 1 times D. Okay, with the A is equal to -12, we just replace in 12 plus N minus 1 times D. The D given is -12. So make sure that you write bracket -12, -2, bracket -2. All right, is equal to -14. All right. And we can get 12 is equal to 12 plus n minus 1. N minus 1 times negative 2 is equal to negative 14, right? And after that, we expand it, we will get 12 minus 2n plus 2 equal to negative 14, right? Okay. The left side is negative, is 12 plus 2 is 14, minus 2n is equal to negative 14. Right. But continue. Kita teruskan, akan dapat negatif 2n sama dengan berapa? Negatif 28. Sebab 14 di sebelah kiri pindah ke sebelah kanan akan menjadi tolak 14 lagi. Negative 14 minus 14, negative 28. So n is equal to 14. Means sequence ini mempunyai 14 sebutan, 14 terms. Alright. Boleh nampak ke? Every one of you can see. All right, never mind. I just off first, then I preview again another time. It means today the line is not very good. Oh, that means some of you got the line problem because some of them say can see very clearly. So that is the question number 1, the example number 4, right? Okay, Madam Wendy, are you ready, Madam Wendy?
Yeah, yes, I'm ready. You just finished this question.
So if you are ready, I hand over to you the next example number 5 to continue. Is that all right?
Yes, it's all right. So is that my my voice is clear? Because I'm using my sister laptop now. Yes, sir?
Yes, it is very clear.
Okay,
so
thank
stop
you.
My preview, All right.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Lu.
Welcome.
Okay, I will share my screen now. Okay, class, sorry, because today I thought that is my line problem, but actually I think it's my laptop problem. Okay, thanks, Mr. Lu, for helping me. So now can you see my screen, class?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So we just do a little bit revision, okay? If anything, please let me know.
You start with slide number 5.
Not number 2. Okay, yes. Okay.
Slide number 5.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, we just do a little bit revision. Arithmetic progression is a sequence that has common different. This one we discussed yesterday. Okay, so you still remember what is a sequence? Sequence with a special pattern. Like yesterday, all add up with 2 minus something or alternating with a common different. So what is common different? So what is common different? Common different means we choose a term and minus the previous term. Next, okay, what is the formula of Tn? Tn equal to a plus n minus 1d. A is the first term and d is the common difference. Okay, so example number 4, Mr. Lu already helped me to explain. I just want to highlight. So just now the answer is 14, right? The question say find the number of terms. So altogether is 14 terms. So class, you don't write like this. Okay, you don't write T14. Why? T14 means sebutan yang ke-14, bukan 14 sebutan. Jawapan yang betul 14 sebutan, bukan sebutan yang ke-14. Sorry, my handwriting today is very poor because I can't use the tablet pen. Sebutan ke-14. Okay, next example number 5. Find the number of terms for the following arithmetic progression. So from -1 to -61, we got how many terms? Find the number of terms. So number of terms, we got how many terms? So how we find this number of terms? So we go now. A, we have to find out A equal to -1. D equal to -4 minus -1 equal to -3. So how we find the value of the n? From the formula Tn equal to A plus m minus 1d. Tn equal to A plus m minus 1d. So we would assume that the last term is Tn. So -61 equal to A plus n minus 1 times d is -3. So -61 equal to -1 minus positive -3n plus 3. So we will get 3n equal to -63. So our n equal to this one 3n equal to 63. So our n is 21. So number of the terms, so m equal to 21 terms. Okay, or you no need to write n also can, because the question asks you the number of the term. B, the question a little bit different. I don't give you number by number. I just tell you that try to find the number of terms between 10 and 100. So between 10 and 100, it means we start from 11 until 99. No 10 and 100, unless the question say from 10 to 100. So multiple of 9. So after 9 is 18. After 9 is 18. After 18, 27, 36, until the last term is 99. So we assume that this one is our Tn. So 99 equal to, so what is our first term? First term is 18. So the common difference is 27 minus 18. That is equal to 9. Or from here, we already know that the multiple of 9 means the difference of each term is 9. Or the common difference is 9. 18 plus n minus 1 times 9. So 99 equal to 18 plus 9n minus 9. So your 9n equal to 90. So your n equal to 10. So the final answer. So how many terms of the multiple of 9 between 10 and 100 is 10 terms. Okay, so if you're not agree, you can try. You can count with all your fingers. You can count 18, 27, 36, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90 until 99. Is that all together 10? Okay, yes. Okay, very good. Next, the fourth and the 10th term of an arithmetic progression are 13 and 31 respectively. The fourth term here means T4, sebutan yang ke-14 sama dengan 13. Next, the 10th term maksudnya sebutan yang ke-10 sama dengan 31. So find the first term. So we have to look for A and the common difference D of the progression. So hence find the 28th term. So we have to find T28. So how? So this question we try to guide you. We will ask you to find the first term and the common difference. So before find the first term and the common difference, we got two information. T4 equal to 13 and T10 equal to 31. So we write down the information. T4 equal to 13. So you still remember what is T4? T4 equal to A plus how many D? A plus 3D equal to 13. You see, here we have two unknown, A and D. So how we find A and D? We have to solve it by simultaneous linear equation. Persamaan serentak. Okay, so this is my first equation. The second equation, T10 equal to 31. So T10 equal to 31. So T10 is A plus 9D equal to 31. So this is my second equation. So you still remember how to solve it simultaneously? Okay, I will say that the first equation minus the second equation. A minus A, 0. 3D minus 9D is negative 6D. 13 minus 31 is negative 18. So my common difference is negative 18 divided by negative 6 is 3. So substitute D equal to D into any question that you like. The first one can, the second one also can. So I substitute into the first one. A plus 3 times 3 equal to 13. So my A equal to 13 minus 9 equal to 4. So my first term is 4 and my common difference is 3. Hence means seterusnya find the 28th term. So how we find 28th term? So just apply the formula. We do a little bit revision. T28 equal to A plus N minus 1D. N is 28 minus 1 D equal to A plus 27D. So we just use substitution. A 4. D, where's my D? Is 3. So 4 times 27 times 3 is equal to 85. So it is the answer. A equal to 4, D equal to 3. So if you want, you can write down the final answer. A equal to 4, B equal to 3, and T28. 28 term sebutan yang ke-28 sama dengan 85. Okay, next, number 7. Given that x, 3x plus 1 and 4x minus 3 are 3 consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression. Tiga-tiga ni merupakan sebutan yang berterusan bagi suatu janjang arithmetic. Find the value of x. So what is so special about the arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is a sequence with common difference. Okay, beza sepunya yang sama. So I just say that my D1 equal to D2. My D1 equal to D2. My D1 equal to D2. So how I find my first common difference? I will use 3x plus 1 minus x minus the previous term. And then 4x minus 3 plus, no, not plus, it's minus 3x plus 1. So this one you can try by yourself. So this one is 2x plus 1 equal to 4x minus 3x is x minus 4. So x equal to negative 5. So the value of my x is negative 5. So then determine the seventh term of this progression if x is the second term. So this one is T2, T3, and this one is T4. So my T2 is x. So my T2 is negative 5. How about my T3? T3 is 3s plus 1. So it's 3 times negative 5 plus 1 equal to negative 14. Okay, next, my T4 is 4s minus 3. So it's 4 times negative 5 minus 3 equal to negative 23. So we have to find out my T7. So we just use the formula A plus 60. T7 equal to A plus 60. So we just substitute. Okay, what is my A? Okay, I have to find out what is my A. Okay, A, how I find my A? Okay, what is my A equal to, how I find my T1? Okay, sorry. Okay, you see here, I negative 5, negative 14, and negative 23. How I find my A? Negative 5 minus A equal to negative 14 minus negative 5. So my negative A equal to negative 4. So my A equal to 4. So I substitute here 4 plus 6B. So what is my common difference? I have to find out again my common difference. Let's say I choose negative 14. Negative 14 minus negative 5 equal to negative 9. So I substitute 4 plus 6 times negative 9. So the answer is negative 50. So the final answer is negative 50. So last questions for this part, deriving the formula of the nth term. In the arithmetic progression, negative 13, negative 9, negative 5, find the smallest value of n such that the nth term is greater than 69. So Tn is greater than 69. So from here, we try to get some idea. So Tn greater than 69. So A plus m minus 1b greater than 69. So this one is inequality. This one is inequality. So what is my first term? The first term equal to negative 13. My common difference is negative 9 minus negative 13. So my common difference is 4. So substitute negative 13 plus m minus 1 times 4 greater than 69. So negative 13 plus 4m minus 4 greater than 69. So my 4n will be greater than 86. So my m is greater than 21.5. So class, n stands for number of term, bilangan sebutan. So number of term, it must be whole number, mesti nombor bulat. It means no decimal, no fraction, and so on. Okay, tak ada tempat, not so. Tak ada tempat perpuluhan, tak ada pecahan. It must be a whole number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So, if n is greater than 21.5, it means it can be 22. Sebutan 22. It can be 23, 24, and so on. Among these, which one is the smallest value of n? Of course, it's 22. So we write down the smallest value of n is equal to 22. It means this is the answer. It means the 22nd term, your value is greater than 69. So we can double check our answer. T21 equal to A plus 21D. We try. A negative 13 plus 21 times 4. Negative 13 plus 21 times 4 is equal to 71. So how about our T21? Okay, the common difference is 4, so minus 4, so it will be 67. So impossible is 21st term. If 21st term is 67, 67 is not greater than 69. It's still less than 69. After 67, 71. Okay, so I finished this subtopic, and we will go to the last topic, the sum of the first n term. Okay, before we go to the first n term, so have you heard about this story? Carl Friedrich Gauss, a German mathematician, able to answer almost immediately his arithmetic teacher's question. Sum out all the whole numbers from 1 to 100 when he was only 10 years old. Do you know how he did it? Okay, mathematician ini masa dia umur 10 tahun. Dia boleh jawab immediately. Cikgu dia tanya, 1 tambah 2 tambah 3 sehingga 100. Apakah jawapan dia? Okay, I think most of you will use calculator 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. If you count like this, it will take long time. So I'm not going to tell you the answer now. You will figure out yourself once you have learned the sum of the first n term. So later on, you will know how he did it. Okay, arithmetic progression, deriving the formula of the sum of the first n term. So I will guide you how we get the formula. So you still remember what is T1? T1 is the first term, is A, right? If we want to obtain the next term, we have to add out with a common difference. That is D and so on. Yeah, not so on. Okay, it's D. Okay, until the last term is Tn. So the first term is A, so the second term is A plus D, the third term is A plus 2D. So the last term Tn, we just use the formula A plus n minus 1D. So now I will represent the sum of the first n term with Sn. So sum means jumlah, okay? Jumlah, total out. Okay, jumlahkan semua. So this one actually is series. Jumlahkan semua sebutan yang ada. So sebutan yang pertama A, sebutan yang kedua A plus D, sebutan ketiga ada lagi. Okay, next Tn minus, okay, Tn is A plus n minus 1D. So satu sebutan sebelum dia mesti tolak satu. So ini tolak 2, tolak 3, and so on. Okay, so I will assume that this is my, this one is my first equation. I will assume that this is my first equation. So if we have first, we must have second. So the second one, how? Reverse the order. Cikgu cuba terbalikkan. Depan jadi belakang. Belakang jadi depan. Okay. I try to reverse the order. Tengok ini belakang jadi depan. A plus n minus 1D jadi depan. A plus n minus 2D ini jadi depan. Okay, first term jadi akhir sekali. Second term, second last term. So now we have these two equations. We will add out these two equations. We will add out equation 1 and equation 2. So Sn plus Sn. 1 biji apple tambah 1 biji lagi 2 biji apple. So it's 2n. Next, A plus n minus 1D. Sebutan yang pertama dengan sebutan yang pertama. Sebutan yang kedua dengan sebutan yang kedua. A plus A, 2A. Okay, A plus D. Okay, A plus A 2A. Ini tak ada apa-apa, so it's M minus 1 D. Next, we go to here. Okay, A plus A 2A, tak ada masalah. Next, D maksudnya 1D. Ini M minus 2D. Ini maksudnya 1D plus MD, then minus 2D. So the answer is ND. ND sudah. 1D tolak 2D. So it's minus D. So we try to factorize. We take a D. So M times D, MD. Negative 1 times D, negative D. So you just add up term by term. No matter how, you will get the same 2A plus M minus 1D. So this one all together, how many terms? We don't know, right? So I just say that this one is N terms. All together, we have N terms. That is 2A plus M minus 1D. So 2 Sn equal to N number of the term. 2A plus M minus 1D. So finally, my Sn equal to N over 2A plus M minus 1D. So D is the formula how we find the sum of the first N term. Macam mana cari sebutan M pertama. Okay, macam mana kita nak cari sebutan M pertama. Okay, so Sn equal to N over 2A plus M minus 1D. So we try to recall back what is Tn. Tn is A plus M minus 1D. So let the last term be L. Okay, L equal to Tn. So my Tn is A plus M minus 1D. L just the last term, sebutan yang terakhir bagi satu janjang atau series. So Sm equal to N over 2, A plus M minus 1D. These 2A, I separate it into 2. 2 apples is 1 apple plus 1 apple. So it's A plus A. You understand? Yang belakang ni masih sama. Cuma depan saja 2A cikgu pecahkan kepada 2. So this one is A plus M minus 1D. That is equal to L. So my Sm equal to N over 2A plus L. Okay, and what is our N? N is the number of term, bilangan sebutan yang ada. Kalau cikgu kata 10 sebutan yang pertama, so you just tulis X10, lepas tu 10 bahagi 2. So A is the first term, L is the last term. Okay, cikgu bagi contoh, kalau ada 10 sebutan, so it's 10 over 2. So what is A? A is the first term, right? Because we have 10 term. Last term, T10. So selain formula ini, kita ada satu lagi formula ini. So kita ada dua formula untuk mencari sum of the first N term. So kita ada dua formula untuk mencari hasil tambah N sebutan pertama. Ada dua formula. Satu N over 2, 2A plus M minus 1D. Satu Sm equal to N over 2A plus L. Okay, mungkin you tanya, cikgu, mana satu lebih baik? Okay, this one is better. Why this one is better? Mengapa ini lebih baik? Ini asalkan kita tahu sebutan pertama dan sebutan beza sebelumnya. Asalkan kita tahu apa itu A, apakah itu D, we can find the sum of the first term. Ini ya, dia mesti ada syarat. Apa syarat dia? Syarat dia mesti tahu nilai sebutan pertama dan sebutan yang terakhir. Kalau satu cucukkan, sebutan pertama dan sebutan yang terakhir dibagi, ini menjimatkan masa. Tapi ini kebanyakan soalan boleh guna formula ini. Okay, so now you know how the girls get the answer. What is the sum of the first 100 whole numbers? Okay, adakah tadi ada orang tak dengar, asyik tekan calculator. So how? Girls added 1 to 100. 1 tambah 100. 101. 2 plus 99, 101. 3 to 98, add up with 98 is 101. So each pair of the numbers give a total of 100. Faham tak? Maksudnya 1 tambah 100, 101. 2 tambah 99, 101. So maksudnya setiap pasangan ini memberikan jumlah 101. And 1 hingga 100. We got how many pairs? From 1 to 100, we have 50 pairs. Sebab dia mesti pasangan, betul? 1 hingga 100 ada 100 nombor. So, kalau pair by pair, pasangan demi pasangan, ada 50 pairs. So, the answer 50 pair. So, 50 times 101. 50 times 101. So, the answer is 50. Is that this one is very, very fast and it will save our time. So can you state a formula which you'll study in the progression that can be applied similarly? So just now I give you 2 formula. The first one is Sn equal to n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1d. The second formula is Sn equal to n over 2 times a plus l. So which one? Yes, the answer is Sn equal to n over 2 a plus l. Actually, both can, but this one, if we want to solve it almost immediately, we use this one. So altogether, from 1 to 100, we have 100 terms. So 100 over 2. So the first term is 1. Last term, 100. So 100 divided by 2 equal to 50 times 101. So the final answer is 5050. So it's 5050. 5050. Okay, so actually this one is very interesting question and a story. Okay, next example. Okay, we go through the example now. Okay, find the sum of the first 10 terms of arithmetic progression, 5, 3.5, and 2. Find the first 10 terms of an arithmetic progression. So the keyword, okay, apakah keyword dia? Hasil tambah 10 sebutan yang pertama. So, guna formula dulu. S10 equal to 10 over 2 times 2a plus m minus 1d. So I think that this one you are very familiar. So 90. Are you with me? Go to this formula. Sn is S10, 10 over 2, 2a plus 10 minus 1d. Kalau yang nak tulis satu demi satu boleh. Shortcut macam ni pun boleh. So masalah sekarang kita mesti cari A dengan D. So macam mana nak cari A? A is the first term. A is equal to 5. Next, common difference. Okay lah, kali ni mungkin cikgu pilih 2. Common difference minus the previous term. 2 minus 3.5. Negative 1.5. Jangan takut dengan pecahan. Ini boleh guna calculator. Yap. Okay, negative 1.5. So we just substitute into the formula. So S10 equal to 10 over 2 times 2 times 5 plus 9 times negative 1 over 2. So the answer is 5 times negative 3.5. You can write step by step. I want to save my time. So the answer is negative 17.5. Okay. B, this time I'm asking you to find Sn. So Sn equal to n over 2 2A plus n minus 1 times D. Okay, what is my A? A is the first term, x 7. Next, my common difference, let's say I choose 10 minus the previous term. So 10 minus 7 equal to 3. So my A is 7, n minus 1, D is 3. So just leave the n there, it's not a big problem. 2 times 7, 14, plus 3n minus 3. So next, n over 2, 14, we go to the number first. 14 minus 3, 11 plus 3n. Itu saja. Jangan takut n atau s ke y, you phobia. You pun macam ini, you just follow step by step. Substitute into the equation. You nak expand also can. Kalau expand is 11 over 2n plus 3 over 2n squared. If you want to expand. Next, number 2, evaluate each of the following arithmetic series. How you evaluate? How you evaluate? 1.3, 1.7 plus 2.1 plus dot until plus 6.5. Actually means find the sum of the first n term. So soalan ini sebenarnya sama dengan soalan 1. Okay, we try to find sum of the first n term. Cuma dia tidak beritahu secara directly what the question want. Okay, evaluate. So actually is sum of the first n term. So guna formula. Okay, kita cuba formula ini dulu. Sn equal to n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 D. Kalau soalan macam ni ya, kita mesti tahu apa itu nilai n, apa itu nilai a, apa itu nilai d. So our a is 1.3. D 1.7 minus 1.3 equal to 0.4. What is my mistake? Have you noticed where is my mistake? This is a series. This one is not a sequence. Kalau sequence, dia mesti macam ini. 1.3, 1.7, 2.1, dot, until 6.5. Ini is a sequence, not a series. Okay. Sebutan pertama, sebutan yang kedua, sebutan ketiga, dan sebutan yang terakhir. So, ada berapa sebutan? Macam mana nak cari n? Tadi cikgu sudah ada contoh. Ambil sebutan yang terakhir sebagai Tn. So, Tn equal to 6.5. So, A plus m minus 1d equal to 6.5. A 1.3 plus m minus 1 times 0.4 equal to 6.5. So 1.3 plus 0.4n minus 0.4 equal to 6.5. 0.4n equal to 5.6. So your n equal to 14. Okay, 14. Maksudnya dari 1.3 hingga 6.5. Semuanya ada 14 sebutan. So, we just substitute into the formula. S14 equal to 14. Rujuk formula ni. 14 over 2 times 2a plus 13d. So, what is my d? Common difference. Beza sepunya 0.4 sifar populahan 4. So ini ya, bolehlah kira sendiri. So jawapan dia 54.6, 54.6. Maksudnya kita jumlahkan 1.3, 1.7, sehingga 6.5. So B, cikgu nak guna formula ini. Mengapa? Cikgu tahu sebutan pertama, cikgu tahu sebutan yang terakhir. So lebih baik you tulis sebutan satu demi satu. 4, -1, -6, terakhir sekali -131. Sebutan pertama 4. Beza sepunya -1 tolak 4. Jika cikgu pilih sebutan yang kedua. So, beza sepunya -5. So, semua ini ada berapa sebutan? Sama dengan tadi, TN equal to -131. So, A 4 tambah N tolak 1 -5 sama dengan -131. Okay, ini you boleh kira sendiri. So, akhir sekali N sama dengan 28. Cikgu minta maaf sebab ada beberapa contoh lagi ya. Okay, so nanti you boleh kira sendiri, boleh ambil gambar dulu. So, M equal to 28. So, X 28. So, kali ini cikgu nak guna formula. Kalau you tahu sebutan yang pertama dan sebutan yang terakhir. So, 28 bahagi 2. Sebutan yang pertama, 4. Sebutan yang terakhir, -131. So, it's 14 times -127. So the answer -1778. -1778. So sebenarnya kalau you tahu sebutan yang pertama dan sebutan yang terakhir, you boleh guna mana-mana formula. Okay. Okay. Soalan yang ketiga. This one is daily life question. A wire is cut into 12 pieces to form an arithmetic progression. If the length of the shortest piece and the longest piece are 3 cm and 25 cm respectively, how long is the wire? So, cikgu ada cari satu gambar, ada wire. Okay, dia potong 12. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Semua dia ada 12. Okay, cikgu potong dia. Ada satu wayar yang panjang, cikgu potong dia kepada 12 keping. Dan dia akan form an arithmetic progression. So, arithmetic progression ada kaitkan dengan beza sepunya, common different. If the length of the shortest piece, okay, kalau paling pendek is 3 and paling panjang is 25. How long is the wire? Try not to skip the question which are related to our daily life. Jangan tengok daily life, oh ya susah, tak mau jawab, skip. No. Okay. Sometimes it may seem it's challenging, but actually in fact they are not as difficult as you think. So always try all type of questions. Okay, so cikgu akan terangkan. Okay, paling pendek 3, paling panjang. Okay, paling panjang. Maybe here is 25. So I will say that this one is arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. A equal to 3. So what is this? The shorter piece is sebutan yang pertama paling pendek 3. So sebutan yang paling panjang, maksudnya this one is our last term, right? Or we say that this one is T12 equal to 25. Okay, sebutan yang pertama paling pendek, sebutan yang paling panjang is 25. Atau you terbalikkan mereka dua, boleh ke? Boleh. So we just try now. So how many pieces? N equal to 12. So S12 equal to 12 over 2. Sebutan yang pertama 3. Sebutan yang terakhir 25. 5. So it's 6 times 28. So the answer is 168 centimeter. So soalan ni tak susah. Adakah soalan ni boleh guna formula ni? N over 2 times 2A plus M minus 1D. Adakah soalan ni boleh guna formula ini? No. Why? Insufficient detail. Maklumat tidak cukup. You tidak tahu apakah beja sepunya. You cuma tahu yang paling pendek dengan yang paling panjang. Okay, next, number 4. Find the sum of all the multiple of 3 from 1 to 100. Dari 1 hingga 100. Multiple of 3. So from 1 to 100. So multiple of 3, we will start from 3, 6, 9, 12, until the last term is 99. So the first term is 3. The last term, no, the common difference is 6 minus 3 equal to 3. So if we want to find the number of terms, we will use the last term. So Tn equal to A plus M minus 1 times D, that is 3, equal to 99. So finally, your N equal to 33. Altogether, 33 terms. So we want to find the sum. The sum of 33 terms equal to 33 over 2. The first term is 3. The last term is 99. So the answer is 1683. Soalan dia, kalau yang simple question, actually it's the same. Just the way they ask you. Okay. Kadang-kadang kami bagi you sequence. Sometimes we just use like this. It's the same. Next, how many terms of the arithmetic progression 258 will add up to 155? So, maksudnya, berapa sebutan yang diperlukan supaya kita jumlahkan satu demi satu. M sebutan yang pertama, supaya dia akan jadi 155. So, Sn equal to 155. So, how many terms? We don't know, so we have to try. So Sn, so A, what is our A? A is 2. D is 5 minus 2. So you D equal to 3. So this one is Sn equal to 155. I don't know how many terms, so I just use M. Okay, next, 2A plus M minus 1 times D equal to 155. So this one I try to simplify. Okay, this one I will left 1 plus 3n equal to 155. Okay, tengok pecahan tak apa. Each term we multiply by 2. So I will get M times 1 plus 3n equal to 310. So we expand one by one. Kembangkan satu demi satu. M plus 3n squared minus 210. So we look at the term now. We have n, we have 3n squared, and we have minus 310 and 0. This one actually is quadratic equation.
Madam Wendy is 210.
Okay. No, it's 310.
310.
Yeah, 310. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, 3n squared plus n minus 310 equal to 0. So this one is quadratic equation. So we try to revise what we learned in chapter 2. Okay, how we solve a quadratic equation. Number 1, we can use factorization that you learn in mathematics, and then we have completing the square, and we have the formula. So I know that you don't like completing the square. Okay, we don't want to discuss that one. We have factorization and we have formula. If you know how to factorize, you use factorize. If not, you just use the formula. Okay, I know how to factorize. So I use factorization. So it's 3m plus 31 and then n minus 10. So 3n plus 31 equal to 0. n minus 10 equal to 0. n equal to negative 31 over 3 and n equal to 10. Can we choose these two answers? As I told you before, n stands for number of terms. You have to say number of students in your class. Teacher, negative 10, negative 31 over 3. So nobody can understand your language, right? So the number of the term means something we can count. Something that we can count, we don't choose negative. So since n always greater than 0, so my number of the term is equal to 10. Or you write down 10 terms. Okay, I know that it's 3 o'clock. So I try to finish. I still have another 1, 2, 3, 4 slides to go. Okay, yeah. Next, last question for this part. In an arithmetic progression, the third term is 10. Sebutan yang ketiga sama dengan 10. And the 12th term, sebutan yang ke-12 sama dengan 37. Find the first term, sebutan yang pertama, and the common difference, beza sebunya. The sum of the first 25 term. So, formula untuk SN memang cari beza sebunya yang pertama. Hasil tambah sebutan pertama. Okay, and finally this one. Determine if 132 is a term in the arithmetic progression. A, cikgu akan cepat sikit sebab ini ulang kaji saja. B, I will slow down a little bit. So, A, T3 equal to 10. T3 A plus 2D equal to 10. This one is similar to the question that we discussed before. So we have two unknowns. So this one is first equation. Next, T12 equal to 37. A plus 11D equal to 37. So we try to solve these two equations. So this one, you try by yourself. I just give you the answer. The first term is 4. The common difference is 3. Okay, this one is A part 1. A part 2, the sum of the first 25 term. Hasil tambah 25 sebutan yang pertama. 25 over 2. 2A plus 24D. 24 darab 3. So, jawapan dia sama dengan 1000. Okay, B. Ini soalan yang ada lain sikit. Adakah 132 merupakan sebutan dalam aritmetik? Tak mungkin you kira 4, 7, 10, 13, 16 sehingga 132. Kalau masa exam, you ada masa, you boleh cuba. Okay, guna jari tangan, jari kaki kira. Okay, kalau nombor terlalu besar, jangan. So we just try, let 132 be the nth term in our arithmetic progression. So let Tn equal to 132. So A is 4 plus m minus 1D. So our D is 3 equal to 132. 4 plus 3n minus 3 equal to 132. So 3n equal to 131. So n equal to 43.67. So is that this one 132 is a term? No. Why? Since n equal to 43.67. N is not a whole number. It means n we can count one by one. So 132 is not a term in the arithmetic progression. Okay, it's not an arithmetic progression. So this one can consider as the whole question. This one can consider because it tests your understanding. Next, okay, this is the last part of our lesson. Okay, only 2 examples. So what is the relation between Tn and the Sn? The number of the term and the sum of the first n term. Let's say if T1, T2, T3 until the last term Tn are the first n term. Mesti ingat kalau cikgu bagi S25. S25 maksudnya 25 sebutan yang pertama. Sebutan pertama, kedua, ketiga, keempat. Kalau cikgu bagi X3, S3 pun mesti mula dari sebutan yang pertama, sebutan yang kedua dan sebutan yang ketiga. Jangan mula dari sebutan yang lain. The first n term. So maksudnya n mesti mula dari 1, 2, 3 hingga n. Setiap kali mula 1, 2, 3 hingga n. So kalau sebutan macam ini, so my SM means the sum of the first n term. Hasil tambah n sebutan pertama. T1 plus T2 plus T3 and so on. So bagaimana SM minus 1? SM minus 1 pun sama. Setiap kali cikgu mula dari T1, T2, T3 hingga Tn minus 1 saja. Faham kah? Okay. Tak faham, tak apa. Sekejap lagi cikgu akan bincang. So, this is my first equation and this is my second equation. So, the first one minus second one. Okay. Yang pertama, tolak yang kedua. So, Sn tolak X n minus 1. Tolak T1 tolak T1. No more. Okay. T2 minus T2, no more. T3 also no. Okay, and so on. So Tn minus 1, Tn minus 1, no. Left, Tn. So this is the relation between Tn and the Sn. Okay, mungkin ada pelajar you tengok, oh yo cikgu tak ada nombor, panggil X, sudah takut. Okay, cikgu tunjuk soalan yang lebih senang. Okay, kalau cikgu mula dengan X4. S4 maksudnya hasil tambah 4 sebutan pertama. Okay, dia mesti ada pertama, first. So, sebutan pertama, tambah sebutan yang kedua, tambah sebutan yang ketiga, tambah sebutan yang keempat. This means the first 4 term. X4 means the first 4 term. 4 sebutan yang pertama. Okay, kalau PM, X4, hasil tambah 4 sebutan pertama. T1 tambah T2, sebutan pertama, tambah sebutan kedua, ketiga dan keempat. Okay, X3. S3 maksudnya 3 sebutan yang pertama. T1 plus T2 plus T3. Okay, cikgu tunjuk dia you. Ini persamaan pertama, ini persamaan yang kedua. So, persamaan yang pertama tolak persamaan yang kedua. So, X4. Ini tolak S4 tolak X3. Sama dengan T1 minus T1 no more. T2 minus T2 no more. T3 minus T3 no more. Left T4. So macam mana you nak cari T4? T4 sama dengan 4 sebutan yang pertama tolak 3 sebutan yang pertama. Adakah ini lebih senang untuk faham? Okay, kalau cikgu nak cari sebutan yang ketujuh. Sebutan yang ketujuh. Mesti hasil tambah 7 sebutan yang pertama tolak hasil tambah 6 sebutan yang pertama. If we want to find the 7th term, T7, so we have to use the sum of the first 7 terms minus the sum of the first 6 terms. Okay, so left 2 example. I think I will finish within 5 minutes. Okay, the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression. Selalu soalan akan bagi tahu you is arithmetic or geometric, because 5.2 is geometric progression. It's given by Sn equal to 2n squared plus 3n. So I told you yesterday, kalau dia bagi you formula, you gunalah formula dia. Kalau dia tidak bagi, we use the formula that we learn. Find the sum of the first 5 terms. So we just substitute. And first 5 terms. So S5 equal to 2 pi squared plus 3 times 5. So equal to 65. B, how we find the 5th term? Okay, ini ada keyword sum, ini tak ada, maksudnya cari T5. So how we find T5? Sini pun tak ada bagi formula T, sini pun tak ada bagi formula T. So it's S5 minus X4, sebutan yang kelima. Cikgu boleh cuba. S5 maksudnya T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 plus T5. Kalau S4 maksudnya T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4. So we have to so we minus this 4. So left T5. Okay, S5 we find out in part A is 65 minus X4. So S4 we have to find ourselves by substitute the formula 2 4 squared plus 3 times 4. Okay, so the answer is 44. 65 minus 44 equal to 21. Okay, this is a way. Okay, next, our last example. An arithmetic progression is given as -12, -9, -6. Find the sum, jumlah, from the 5th term to the 11th term. Maksudnya, T5, T6, jumlahkan mereka plus. Okay, T7 sehingga sebutan yang ke-11. Okay, sehingga sebutan yang ke-11. Macam mana? Okay, ada 2 cara. Satu, you dari TN cari satu demi satu. Itu memerlukan masa. So, shortcut dia macam mana? Okay, so setiap kali sum of the 11th term. Sum of the 11th term maksudnya T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 plus T5 plus T6 plus T7 plus T8 plus T9 plus T10 until 11. So the sum from the 5th, so mean 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ini diperlukan. Cikgu tak mau first, second, third, and the fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4 tak mau. So formula dia is X11 minus X4. Selalunya pelajar tulis S5. No. Kalau S5 pun ditolak, dia maksudnya dia mula dari 6. Bukan mula dari 5. Okay, kalau dia cakap 5, you mesti tulis 4. So we just substitute. So before that, what is our A? A is -12. D is common difference. Cikgu pilihlah -9 minus -12. equal to 3. So we just substitute 11 over 2, 2a plus 10b, okay, minus the first 4 term. So it's 4 over 2, 2 times negative 12 plus 3d plus 3 times 3. So it's you count, and finally the answer is 63. Okay, so all right, so we will end our lesson today. So any question you want to ask? Okay, sorry, I take your time today because of got technical problem. Okay, so any question you want to ask? If yes, you can turn on your mic. Okay, I will try to help you, or my moderator, a very good moderator, Mr. Lu, will help you. Okay, any question? Okay, if not, okay, I just say something. So learning is never an ending process. You should never give up. Okay, even though it's not easy sometimes. For me, MX not that easy. So you can always ask your teachers, your friends if you do not understand. Yes, always try your best. Don't ever give up. If you give up, nobody can help you. Okay, 加油, all the best. So before you leave, you please scan the QR code. Okay, thank you for your presence. Your support is so much appreciated. See you again. Okay, so sorry, where's the code? Okay, you can scan the QR code now. Okay. So if you have questions, you may ask. After you take the attendance, you may leave. Okay, thank you. See you. Bye bye. Okay, attendance. Okay, thank you everyone. Sorry.